right. Fuck's sake. All right. What's up, guys? We're here today in front of Muscle Factory Gym in Tempe. We got the fucking Valley Metro paratransit bus pulling up too. Let's take this pre-workout and then we're gonna go get signed in, and we got a poll day today. All right, here's mine.
All right, cool, thank you, appreciate that. All right, you guys are good to go.
All right, good deal, thank you. All right, so Lance just gave us the breakdown. This is a fucking cool ass place, dude. Check all this shit out. Wow. I kind of just want to walk around and see everything that we got. Typically, I've been doing a lot of weighted pull-ups, and that's something that's going to be like my biggest compound movement for my back. But I don't have my belt because I left that at my home gym. But so we're just going to warm up and just kind of get our back going with some regular pull-ups, which are still super dope. For the vast majority of people, especially people who don't work out, their back is so atrophied that they like you can't get like a back pump. But as soon as your back gets bigger and you actually have a fucking back and you can get a pump, and it's like you just feel wide as shit all the time. Now back is my favorite thing to work out. I'm so excited until I'm not cutting anymore and I can actually eat every single day. Once I'm eating like 3,000 calories a day, dude, I'm gonna be fucking benching 4 plates. I'm gonna be fucking squatting 5 of them. Like, we're gonna go absolutely insane. After this, we're gonna go to DexaFit or DexaScan. I can't remember what it's called. It's a place where you can go get a DexaScan, and we're gonna get an updated check on my body fat percentage. I weighed in at 197 this morning, so it's pretty heavy for me right now. So I'm really hoping that it shows that there's been some improvement, but we'll see.
Of course, man.
I appreciate it. We'll tag you in all the stuff that we post.
I'm
but
excited, man.
dude, this place, this is really sick, man. All right, fucking sick ass place, bro. Muscle Factory, Tempe. We'll absolutely be back. All right, time to go get the DexaScan. Let's see what the body fat percentage is at, just to give you guys an idea. We'll show you guys what the fuck the physique's looking like real quick. Just gonna hit a little fucking douche. Here's where we're at right now. So honestly, probably pretty similar to what we were last time. Here's the thing, is last DexaScan I got was just before the holidays, so just before Thanksgiving and Christmas. And even though I did not regress over the holidays, I definitely didn't make any improvements, I don't think. So we'll see. We were at 14, we were high 14, like 14.7, 14.8. I don't know, they'll have all my information there. So let's go get the DexaScan and we'll see what we're doing. So that's that. All right, cool. Well, here we are in front of DexaFit. This is in Tempe. I was just fucking checking out the pump in the car window, which is the best fucking lighting ever of all time. Anyway, let's go get the body fat checked. The guy here is super dope. Hopefully it's the same one as last time. All right. So guys, I made one critical error in my planning, and that is that it requires an appointment. Now, I'm happy because they're busy, and that's a good thing. But this sucks because now I can't get it right now. We drove over here for nothing. I guess we're gonna have to end on that cliffhanger. We don't know what the body fat percentage is at right now. We'll look and we'll see about rescheduling and getting a new test. But yeah, that's back in buys and no DexaScan. So I guess we'll see you next time.
'Cause I need you all and I need you so.